Hello, and welcome back to our Grow Your List series. If you're ready to craft lead magnets that don't just attract leads, but also convert them into loyal customers, then you are in the right place. My name is Rebecca Austin, and today I'm sharing our signature lead magnet formula, the 5 I's of lead magnet magic. This framework is the secret sauce for creating lead magnets that are focused, valuable, and action-oriented. So are you ready? Let's dive right in. These 5 I's are basically the foundation for every lead magnet you create, and they include introduction, ideation, information, inspiration, and invitation. When you integrate each of these elements into your lead magnet, you create a powerful tool that not only draws in your ideal customer, but also moves them closer to your offer. So let's go through each I and explore why each one is so important and why if you leave them out, you're leaving customers on the table. The first I is introduction. Your lead magnet's introduction is the hook that grabs your audience's attention. This is where you make that critical first impression that sets the stage for the value you're about to provide. This is your opportunity to show your ideal customer that you understand their problem and have a solution tailored just for them. Your introduction should be straightforward and enticing. For example, if you're offering a checklist for time management, your headline could be something like 5 quick steps to master your daily routine. Right away, your audience knows what they'll gain from your lead magnet, which makes them eager to keep reading. Next up is ideation. This is where you address the specific problem your customer is facing and present the solution. Now, remember what we covered in newsletter number 3 about identifying your ideal customer? This is where that insight becomes incredibly powerful. Your lead magnet should directly align with your audience's pain points. It's not about creating random content. It's about solving a problem that's top of mind for them. The more targeted and relevant the solution you offer, the more your audience will see you as the expert that they need. Now let's talk about information. This is the meat of your lead magnet, where you provide actionable, high-value content. This is your chance to showcase your expertise and give your audience a quick win. Your information should be presented in a way that's easy to consume and implement. Use bullet points, lists, or short paragraphs to make it simple for your audience to understand. The goal here is to deliver value that not only solves their immediate problem, but also builds trust in your expertise and also an awareness that there's more, that they have questions that you can help them answer. Fourth is inspiration. Information alone isn't enough to drive action. People need to feel inspired and motivated to make a change. When your lead magnet includes elements that evoke emotion, you're not just giving them knowledge, you're giving them hope and a vision of what's impossible. For example, if your lead magnet is about mastering email marketing, share a quick story about how implementing one simple tactic doubled your open rates. When your audience sees what's achievable, they're more likely to take action and stay engaged with your brand. Last but definitely not least, we have the invitation. This is your call to action, the bridge between your free content and your paid offer. Without a clear invitation, your lead magnet is like a conversation that ends awkwardly. You've provided value, but there's no guidance on what to do next. Your invitation should be specific and relevant to the content they just consumed. If your lead magnet was about increasing conversion rates, your invitation might be to join a free webinar where you dive deeper into advanced strategies. Or in this case, your invitation might be to schedule a complimentary coaching call with me personally to go deeper into the specifics on your situation and get some insights to help you even more. Make it feel like a natural next step that builds on the value you've already provided. When you put these 5 I's together, you create a lead magnet that does more than just attract leads. It builds trust, provides immediate value, and positions your offer as the next logical step. Your audience should walk away from your lead magnet feeling like they've already gained something valuable and that you are the expert they've been searching for. So now that you have the formula for creating lead magnets that convert, or lead magnet magic, as we like to call it, we're going to take a step up a notch. In next week's newsletter, we're going to show you how to optimize your lead magnets for maximum impact. It's all about making those small tweaks that drive engagement and boost conversions. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. So keep an eye on your inbox for next week's newsletter. In the meantime, I do invite you to go to our website at striveforsavvy.com and check out our Grow Your List information if you haven't watched the previous episodes, because you want to make sure you go back and watch them all in order if you've missed any. And we also invite you to go to our Grow Your List tab on our website and take our interactive video experience quiz to learn more about these 5 I's and what more you can do and get more insights specifically on your program. So I'll look forward to seeing you on next week's video. I'll see you on our website. And if you want to schedule that complimentary coaching call, click on the button in this newsletter.